His roommate was drinking hot chocolate when she suddenly started gagging and threw up all over the floor. She violently threw the cup at the wall, and he knew something was seriously wrong. So, instead of calling for help, he decided to walk over and inspect what was left in the cup. But what he found would haunt him for the rest of his life. Floating in the chocolate was what looked like a small round object. At first, he thought it was just a marshmallow, but when he picked it up with his bare hands to get a closer look, he realized it had veins running through it. It was staring right back at him, a human eye. And the worst part, after re-watching the footage, he realized he had been drinking from the same batch all morning.